Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diesel heater controller is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your diesel heating system, offering precise temperature control, enhanced safety features, and ultimately, a more comfortable and efficient heating experience. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know before buying one, helping you pick the perfect controller for your needs and budget. Number 5. WAYSKA 8 kW Diesel Heater. This powerful heater provides warmth and comfort wherever you are. It's perfect for trucks, trailers, boats, and RVs. With 8 kW of heating power, it quickly warms up even the largest spaces. It uses diesel fuel for efficient heating. It boasts low fuel consumption, ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 LH, saving you money in the long run. Enjoy long run times without constantly refilling. It operates reliably in temperatures from -40°C to +50°C. The oil pump works from -40°C to +40°C, ensuring consistent performance. It features volatile technology for quick ignition and complete combustion, resulting in low emissions. It's environmentally friendly and efficient. It includes a plateau version thermostat, making it suitable for use at altitudes above 5,500 meters. It's reliable at high altitudes. It's perfect for various vehicles, including cars, trailers, boats, and RVs. It operates independently of the vehicle's engine. What we like. It boasts impressive heating power and comes with a user-friendly LCD thermostat and remote control for easy operation. If you need powerful and convenient heating in your truck, trailer, or boat, this is the perfect choice for you. Its high power output ensures rapid heating, while the remote control allows for effortless temperature adjustments from anywhere within range. This makes it ideal for those who prioritize convenience and warmth. What people say. Came little smaller than anticipated but was surprised by the ease of setup and the amount of heat it produces. I read some reviews before ordering and seen where some complained about the noise level. First, to those people my response would be it's a machine, it's going to make some noise, but that being said, I find it pretty darn quiet. This unit heats well and does exactly what it is supposed to do. The remote works well. Ran this for 13 hours and it barely used any fuel. Heated our 32-foot fifth wheel better than the furnace. Was fairly easy to install. Number 4. HCALORY 12V 8 kW Diesel Heater. It boasts an impressive 8 kW power range, ensuring you're always warm and comfortable, regardless of the outside temperature. Adjust the heat to your liking for a personalized experience. Control your warmth from up to 25 meters away with the included remote. Adjust the temperature settings before even entering your vehicle, perfect for those cold mornings. It's designed with fuel efficiency in mind, using only 0.1 L, 0.35 L of fuel per hour. Save money while staying cozy on your travels. This heater isn't just for cars, it's perfect for trucks, boats, buses, RVs, and trailers. It's your reliable heating solution for any vehicle. Its all-in-one design makes installation a breeze. It's easy to set up and remove, saving you time and effort, plus its compact size saves space. What we like. This heater stands out with its adjustable power output, allowing you to customize the warmth to your exact needs. It also features a convenient remote control and is impressively fuel efficient. If you are looking for a versatile and economical heating solution for your car, truck, or RV, this is a great option. The adjustable power ensures optimal comfort, while the fuel efficiency helps you save money on fuel costs in the long run. This makes it suitable for those who value both comfort and cost-effectiveness. What people say. Low fuel consumption, and I run it with a deep cycle battery. I use it in a garage and would recommend ordering an exhaust extension. Very quiet, low odor if any, and a performer. It heats up pretty quick and it gets really hot. This heater comes with everything needed to use it. I permanently installed this in my uninsulated 2-car garage and it warms up well enough to work in jeans and a hoodie when the outside temperature is well below freezing. It runs for approximately 11 hours on 1 tank of fuel on its highest setting. After a month of regular use, I have had no issues with this machine. It works well for my application. Number 3. maXpeedingrods 8 kW Diesel Heater. It offers adjustable power from 1 kW to 8 kW, meeting your diverse heating needs. That's up to 27,000 BTUs of powerful warmth. It boasts a new LCD control panel, remote controller, and upgraded components for improved performance and reliability. These include thicker air pipes and a 304 stainless steel exhaust pipe. With its LCD panel and remote controller, you can conveniently preheat your vehicle from anywhere. Enjoy effortless comfort and warmth. The improved low-frequency pulse fuel pump significantly reduces noise and vibration. Experience quiet and efficient heating. It comes with a detailed manual and installation instructions. We also offer free technical support and customer service to assist you. What we like. This model features an upgraded LCD control panel and remote controller for ease of use, and it runs quietly. If you value ease of operation and a quiet heating experience, this is the one for you. The advanced LCD panel and remote control provide intuitive control, while the low-noise operation ensures a peaceful environment. This makes it ideal for those who prefer a comfortable and quiet heating solution. What people say. They keep the greenhouse about 68 degrees and ran all last winter and so far this winter with no issues. Takes about 3 hours to raise the temperature in my 24 by 24 by 12 uninsulated garage from 45 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit when external temps were about 23. Maintains the heat well and uses very little diesel when the space is up to temp. That thing pumps out the heat very well. Number 2. HDWS Diesel Heater Ducting Kit. Upgrade your parking heater system with this complete ducting kit. It's designed for optimal heat distribution and easy installation. This kit features 75 mm inner diameter ducting, ensuring efficient airflow. It's made from high-quality, durable aluminum foil for long-lasting performance. Direct the warm air exactly where you need it. The rotatable air outlet allows for precise temperature control and customized comfort. The included T-shaped T allows for efficient air distribution, maximizing the effectiveness of your heater. It helps separate the hot air effectively. Everything you need is included: 2 75 mm air ducts, 2 mushroom head outlets, for clamps, and a 75 mm T-type T. Simple and easy to install. It is compatible with 2 kW, 5 kW, and 8 kW diesel air heaters from brands like WAYSKA and Eberspacher. Please check your heater specifications before purchasing. What we like. This is a versatile ducting kit designed for optimal airflow distribution. It features a 75 mm diameter, a 360 degrees rotatable air outlet, and a T-shaped T for efficient air separation. If you need to enhance the airflow and direct warm air precisely where you need it, this is a must-have accessory. Its rotatable outlet and T-shaped T allow for customized air distribution, ensuring maximum comfort and efficiency. This makes it perfect for those who want to optimize the heating performance of their diesel heater. What people say. Needed it for the T to add to my system. Works exactly as intended. These worked out great for my application. Number 1. WAYSKA 7 RCQ Parking Heater Controller. It's compatible with 12V 24V power supplies, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and more. This versatile controller ensures your parking heater works wherever you need it. Built with durable, high-quality plastic and electrical components, it's designed for long-lasting reliability. You can trust it to perform consistently. Enjoy convenient control with its user-friendly design. Schedule start and stop times, or pair it with a remote for effortless operation. Refuel manually and quickly set the timer using the simple knob controls. It's been thoroughly tested to ensure a seamless user experience. Have questions about installation or quality? Contact us anytime, and we'll provide prompt and helpful support. We're here to assist you. Remember the part number WAYSKA 7 RCQ for easy reference. This ensures you get the right product for your needs. What we like. This controller is compatible with both 12V and 24V systems and offers simple operation with remote control pairing. If you need a simple, reliable, and versatile controller for your diesel heater, this is a great choice. Its compatibility with various systems and user-friendly design make it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. The remote control pairing adds extra convenience, making it ideal for those who value ease of use and compatibility. What people say. This plug-and-play replacement upgrade simplifies it all, and if you like the looks of the controller, then you'll likely enjoy how it works. No problems thus far. I like how the control knob felt and operated, clicks as you turn it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.